From the toolbar, take ellipse tool. By using Shift Alt key, drag it and make it a circle. Now remove the fill color and keep outlines only and increase the stroke of the outlines. Now take pen tool and draw a straight line in horizontal and vertical. Now select them and expand it. Select this one and give offset. So here give positive offset. OK. Now select them. Take shape builder tool using Alt key. Just delete the portion which we don't need. And delete this one. Now select them and unite it, and now ungroup it. Let's apply color. So here we'll apply two different colors for the different alphabets. Take this one here and make duplicate using Alt key. Let's rotate it little, and now select it and go to effect, and here we'll apply 3D. Let's preview the 3D effect and change the direction from here by dragging it. Now from here decrease the depth of the 3D effect. And now expand it. After expanding, now we need to separate it. So select this one and ungroup it. Not separated yet. Again ungroup it. And select this portion and unite it. Similarly, this one ungroup it. After separation, select this one and unite it. And now from here draw a shadow using ellipse tool. Now select them using Shift key. Select this and delete it using Alt key. Now from here draw the curve using pen tool. Let's remove this fill color, keep outlines. Select this curve and increase the stroke, change the color to white. Similarly, draw a few more curves. And here also draw another curve. Here also another. Here also draw the line by following the shape. And one more here. Now select all the curves that we drawn now by using Shift key. And change the profile from here. Let's reduce the stroke and expand it. Now let's draw the background and change the color, send it to back. Select it and drag it and make the size bigger. Take this one here. Now select those using Shift key, and here we'll apply the shadow. So go to Effect, and from here select this drop shadow, preview it, and you can increase or decrease the this density of the shadow, and select these two and give offset. So this time we'll give negative offset. Okay, and delete those just by selecting one by one. And now our logo is ready. Hope you understand all the steps I did. See you in next video.